I'm so excited about this Mustang build, you guys. Drift Prince has been working day and night, all night long for this. I am super pumped up. Oh man, this is awesome. This is a good time for late night auto mods. I'm glad you guys can join us every 3 months when we make videos. It's a great time. We work super hard for you guys, you know. That's all I need to say. What are we doing tonight?
We're gonna try to put the sway bar back in. We have to replace the clips that I broke, so we're gonna use 2 screwdrivers and whatever this is, try not to break it.
2 screwdrivers and a toothpick is all you need. Let's get to it. So Drift Prince right now is taking out the clips that hold these bolts in for the sway bar. Is that right?
Correct.
And he got it out first try, guys. This is very rare. This is a rare occasion for this man right here. I'm very proud of you, Drift Prince. And number 2, as we work on this. He really should have some safety glasses on, but he likes to take rust straight to the eye. Now we're just watching the car fall apart.
There's so much rust on in there.
That's it for that. So what are we doing next?
I don't know.
So right now we're grinding, and I'm glad. Wear glasses. Put a dust mask on, a dentist mask, a toothpick mask, whatever you have, or hold your, just be safe, all right? Just, now let's focus in on this man on the ground. Ooh, we're painting my favorite part. Drift Prince.
Dude, I can't see anything.
Ugh. God, how many pounds is this mother? Okay, so we have the front sway bar here, and the Drift Prince is going to give us a little lesson about what to use as far as hardware for this. If you have worn out bushings and whatnot, what's the way to go for this, man?
These bushings that we got are 27mm, and they don't have a slit in them, so you couldn't get them to go around the sway bar. So we put like a lithium grease, like silicone grease on there and slid them on. You don't want to use like a petroleum base because it'll deteriorate the bushing. And then these clips we took out of the frame, they're kind of weird how they go in. We just stuck this in there.
A toothpick?
Yeah, and pulled down on it and then pulled it forward and slid it out. So just play with it.
Just play with it. Play with it as much as you want. It doesn't matter. No one's looking. Drift Prince accidentally got it in. Let's check in, shall we? So, you got the first one in?
Yeah, they're a lot harder to get in than they are to get out.
Rubber's rubber. Do yourself a favor if you have a lot of bolts and screws and things like that, don't just toss them to the left, toss them to the right, toss them to the the front, put them in baggies.
Well, that was a $10 job turned into like a $30 job.
Well, that was, how do you think about that job?
It went pretty smooth.
It went fast. It was really, it was okay. It wasn't too bad. We first put it in backwards, but then we swapped it around. Everything was fine. Drift prints, we did have a little hiccup with the sway bar. We had to jack up one of the control arms. Tell them a little bit about that.
If you can't get one side in, just jack up the opposite side with the bolt on the stabilizer link. It should work.
We're done. I cut. This video is